Good afternoon students. Today we are going to discuss Digital Signal Processing Laboratory, subject code 17EEL68 by Professor D.A. Vanilla and Professor Ramya. And the experiment number is 2, evaluation of impulse response of the system. Aim to evaluate the impulse response of the system using simulation software MATLAB. Now I am going to simulate the program using MATLAB. So this is the program. So y of n is equal to x of n plus 0.5 x of n minus 1 plus 0.85 x of n minus 2 plus y of n minus 1 plus y of n minus 2. Here I am going to find the impulse response. Okay. So B coefficients is nothing but your the values, that is enter the coefficients of x of n, x of n minus 1, etc. That is your B coefficients. That is numerator, number of zeros, and A coefficient is nothing but the coefficient of your y of n, that is your A coefficient, and n is nothing but your number of samples. Now I am going to find the impulse response of the equation. So h of t, h comma t is equal to impulse b comma a comma n. Now I am going to give the figure 1 to display my output waveform, and at the entire screen I am going to make it one screen, and then first plot it is going to be plotted. The stem is t comma h, so that is nothing but when t is equal to 0 the signal will be plotted, and t is equal to 1 signal will be plotted. So next title is plot of impulse response, y label, x label, and display of this impulse response, and the grid will be on. Now I am going to simulate this program. Okay, if you want to run the program, new program, you can go to new button, you will get this screen and you can type the program. Now I am going to simulate this program. So here now the value will be 1.5, next 0.85, next 1. So I given the values which is here. We have taken the equation 1, 0.5, 0.85, and then output, that is y of n is nothing but a coefficients 1 comma 1, and the impulse response I have typed 4. So see, I have got the output here, as well as this is the output of your impulse response. Now whatever the data I have typed there, that one I have shown here. So the input will be, that is B coefficients is 1, 0.5, 0.85, and A coefficients is 1 comma 1. The number of sample is 4. This is your output of your given input, whatever we have given the difference equation, and thus the impulse response of the system is evaluated, simulated in MATLAB 2017, and output is verified.